The process approach. The process approach is the second approach of active models of learning. The process approach describes learning as an active process that involves attention, recognition, and elaboration. This conceptualization of learning as a process is derived from Craig and Lockhart's proposal that greater learning is the result of greater depth of mental processing. Craig and Lockhart defined the levels of mental activity generally as sensory analysis, pattern recognition, and stimulus elaboration. Different levels of mental engagement are reflected as sequential cognitive processes that progressively become more complex. These processes are voluntary, attention, recognition, and elaboration. What is voluntary attention? Voluntary attention is a mental and perceptual focus on a stimulus in the environment. It is the allocation of mental conscious effort and cognitive capacity. Voluntary attention is the necessary first mental process that precedes learning. Recognition. Recognition is the process that defines the identity of information. Recognition answer the what is this? Recognition is a three-part process of analysis, comparison, and decision. In recognition, we actually analyze the information, then compare the information and make a decision on that information. Elaboration is the integration of new information into a long-term memory. It is necessary for a long-term learning. Elaboration involves several mental activity. It relates the new information to existing knowledge and images. When we are talking about the elaboration, we come to know that it is the last step of the process approach, but is the most significant one. Whenever you receive any information from the environment and you receive any information from the media, you first of all give attention to that information, and after giving the attention, you recognize that information, and at the end you elaborate that information. As elaboration continues, there are several possible outcomes. First, the information can be rejected if it contradicts prior knowledge or values. If you are getting any information from the environment, from the media, and it contradicts with the available information, there is possibility you will reject that information. Second, the new information may be so consistent with prior beliefs and attitude that it is absorbed without much change to what we already know and believe. Conclusion. This model sees learning as a result of progressively deeper and more complex cognitive processes. All information is not learned. All information is not subjected to complex mental processing. Once we have paid attention to something, we may be distracted by something else and never get to recognize the information.